see that the self-tightener was dislodged. Oh. Pretty good. Now I just got to get the gas to get back to her. I'm going to try just adjusting. I'm going to try adjusting the low. On the side there, there's a place for adjustments. So I'm just gonna tweak it real quick just to see if this is gonna make much of a difference. I'm just gonna tweak the, or maybe the high. I'll tweak the high about a half. Perfect. There you go. So it runs. And it runs actually not bad. It's super light. I'm pretty sure it's a Toro 20 or 200. But it runs good. So just needed a carb adjustment, and the belt was the tightener was kind of dislodged off of it. So that was kind of odd. I put it back in place, and the bugger thing runs good. So, you know, by rights, the guy should be changing that belt. It looks pretty bad, but I'm going to try it, and I'm going to put the bolt back on the cover here and just give it a try. And seems to run. So, straight from the junk pile into the good pile. I tell you, you know, anything beats shoveling when the snow's coming down. And just for the light snow that, you know, lands on your driveway or your sidewalk, these little machines, these are great. They're so light, you know. Ladies can use them. And hey, buddy, what do you think of that snowblower? Think it's good? Huh? You think it's good? Put that down. All right, ready, get it, bud. Whoa, good catch. Holy, you're super dog Harley. But anyways, so yeah, the little Toro runs good.